So in this video, I am going to replace the shell of this Lexus key fob. I bought a replacement kit from Amazon that cost about $7, which is very reasonable. My issue is here that I have a crack here. Every time I go to rotate and start the vehicle, it feels like it's going to snap right off. So we're going to try and fix that with this key fob. So the next step is to take the handy dandy screwdriver that they provide and disassemble the OEM shell here. Let's try that again. Got the screw out. Take apart the... hold on a second. There we go. Take apart the shell. Get the, I think this is the transponder. Get that out. We need this. We're going to put that into the new shell. The tricky part is this key needs to come out. And this key is basically over molded into the shell. With this new part, it's going to be like put into this part and then inserted into the shell. So this tricky part here is to get this key out of this. So that's the next step. Okay, so we're just going to break this plastic like so and see what we can do with these pliers. Well, that was a lot easier than I had anticipated. Alright, so we have the key out. And the next step is to insert it into this piece here. Now, I don't think there's an orientation here. I think the key just needs to go in. That's where the pliers come in handy again. And I definitely don't want to break the new plastic, so there's got to be some sort of a strategy here. There we go. Okay, so we got the new key in. See the new holes line up here. That's pretty much all you need. So let me get the new shell out. We get the transponder in here, like so. And then we get this piece. I believe it sits in there like this. And this installs like this. And then there is a new screw that comes in the bag here. And we take out. And not lose. And install that. Yes, this way. Install that in here. And that's it. Now there is a gap here. I don't know if we can fix that. I can try and squeeze it and screw it in, but that's not going to do anything. So that's it. Basically it. Last thing left to do. Most satisfying part here. Oh, hopefully. Oh boy. Some good tape. Okay, not the most satisfying part. Anyway, there's the Lexus badge there. I was hoping that would be easy. Here we go. Something's happening. There we go. So there you go. That is how you replace the shell of a broken shell from an OEM. Look at that. Perfect. So that's it. There you go. Thanks for watching.